Welcome back, everyone. Now I'll discuss on the topic the median and the mode. These two are the parts of the average of position. The median. The median is defined as the number in the middle of given set of numbers arranged in the order of increasing magnitude. Also, when given a set of numbers, the median is the number positioned in the exact middle of the list when you arrange the numbers from the lowest to the highest or highest to the lowest. The median is also called as the average of the measures of the average. And in a high level statistic, median is generally used as a measure of dispersion. And median is important because it describes the behavior of the entire set of the numbers. And also the median is simply another name of the 15th percentile, and it is suitable for the expressing the qualitative data. Then how to calculate the median? It is very easy to calculate the median. Sort the data from highest to the level, lower, or lowest to the higher. Then find the score in the middle. That is, middle is equal to the n plus 1 divided by 2, or n is the number of score. Is if one, the median is average of the middle of the two score. See, this is the graphical representation. These are the observations. How many observations? Near about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 observation. This is the 50% below and 50% above. And 8 number of observation is the median. This for the even number. Also, we calculate by this equation, that is 15 plus 1, that is 16, divided by 2 is equal to the A. So median is the X number. Okay. Then next one, for example of this median, this is the observation of odd numbers. How many observation? We are about 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. Okay, 12. Then sort this observation up to the descending order and determine the middle one. Middle one is the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, and 13. 13 observation. And middle one is the 9. Directly for the odd number, we calculated this median with median as a middle score is 9. Then median of the even number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Then short this score, put from the descending order, by the descending order, and determine the middle score is n plus 1 divided by 2, that is the 6 plus 1 divided by 2, but 3.5. Middle is a 3.5. See, this median is the average of the third and the fourth score. So 19 plus 18 divided by 2 is equal to the 18.5. What is the middle one? 18.5. So the middle one of the even number is found to be the 18.5. Okay. Same for the even number, for the even number, and for the odd number and for the even number. For even number, we calculate n plus 1 divided by 2, and for the odd number, we directly got the middle one is the observation. So the middle one is the median. And next, when to use the median? The median is often used when the distribution of the score is either positively or negatively skewed. That is, the median can be used as a measure of location when the distribution is skewed, when n values are not known, or when one required reduce the importance to be attached to the outliner, because they may be the measurement have errors. Also, the skew really large scores, that is positively skew, or really small scores, that is negatively skew, will not overlay influence the median. And the median is useful whenever you have the data set with a few outliners and the rest of the data has a nice spread. I have given the one or the two examples of median, measuring the average of the height in school, height of the students in school. Some students have height is very tall, and some students have the height higher than expected. So that time we use the median. Then measuring the average of IQ of particular group, and since there are likely some people with the IQ out of ordinary, that is too high or too low, then you may want to use the median. Then next one is the mode. The mode is the scores that occurs most frequently in a set of data, that is the value which has the maximum frequency. The mode also defined as the element that appears most frequently in a given set of the elements. The mode can also be defined as the element with the largest frequency in a given data set. Okay. See, this is the example: percentage of the 15 pieces of the species in a pond. These all the observations arranged in a ascending order, and which number is occurred highest. Number one is the 84. 84 has the maximum frequency, so mode is 84. By graphical representation, in this 1 to the A, fourth observation have highest frequency, maximum frequency. So mode of this distribution is 4. Now, when to use the mode? When a quick and approximate measurement of the central tendency, so mode is used. Then the measure of tendency is the most typical value used for the mode is used for the typical value. It is sensitive to the large changes in the data set, and also measured this mode is used in a data set is measured on a nominal scale. These all are about the when to use the mode. Then advantages and disadvantages of the mean, median, and mode. The mean shows the advantages more sensitive than the median because it makes use of all the values of the data, and shows the disadvantages it can be misrepresentative if there is an extreme value. Also changes the value if the data changes. Then in median advantages, it is the not affected by the extreme score, so can give the representative value. And disadvantage is it is the less sensitive than the mean, and as it does not take into account of all the values. Then mode, advantage of mode is it is useful when the data are in a categories like that, the number of babies who are securely attached. Okay. Then it is not a useful way of describing data when there are the several modes. Now the key concepts of all the measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode. These are the outlines of all the measures of central tendency, their definitions, as well as their calculations with examples, and how to use and when to use, and which one is the perfect one. Okay. The weighted mean can be useful measures when all the data are not equal the significance, and from the data group interval, the mean and median can be estimated using the midpoints and frequencies of the intervals. Thank you.